Okay, hi, this is Jingo, and in this video, I'm going to talk about domains, custom domains verification in Facebook. As we all know, ang Facebook po ngayon is trying its best to prepare us for the iOS 14 changes that's coming up very, very soon. Ngayon, Facebook has implemented new policy that all domains must be verified by Facebook before we can have our events being counted and fed to our ads manager. Bago siya mai-report, kailangan po verified yung ating mga custom domains. Ngayon, I need you to know that the only domains that can be verified, yung mga custom domains lamang po. Like for example, yung askjingo.com, violetadipalog.com, jingothompson.com, nike.com, things like that. Yun pong mga katulad ng halimbawa ay askjingo.clickfunnels.com, hindi pwede. Yung uh, jingostore.shopify.com, hindi rin po pwede because they are not custom domains. Ang Shopify po kasi ay hindi sa inyo. So, ang pwede lang mag-verify niyan is yung Shopify mismo. Ang pwede lang pong mag-verify ng ClickFunnels is ClickFunnels mismo. So, ang pwede lamang po nating i-verify ay yung mga custom domains na pinurchase natin para sa atin. Okay? Because we own those domains, so we can give permission to Facebook to verify those. And also, we have an access inside these domains because we are the admins and we own it. Pwede natin ilagay yung verification code na hinihingi ni Facebook. So, I'm going to show you how to do it because if you're not going to do it, hindi po maire-report lahat ng events na nangyayari sa loob ng website natin. First, you need to understand it has to be your domain. It has to be the one that you purchased and a specific custom domain made for your business. Okay? So, let's do it. Okay. So, sa bagong rule ni Facebook, kailangan po lahat ng domain name natin i-verify natin para i-allow siya ni Facebook at yung mga reports nito ay mai-feedback sa ating ads manager. So, kailangan po lahat ng domain name na hawak natin i-submit kay Facebook. Okay, so in order for you to do that, pupunta po tayo sa business settings. Ito lahat ng domain name na hawak nyo, na meron kayo. So, scroll down to brand safety and then domains. So, meron ako ditong sinubmit na dalawang website and hindi ko pa kino-confirm yung isa para maipakita ko sa inyo on how to do it. Okay? So, ito po, the easiest way for me is to just go to meta tag verification and then kuhain ito. So, click ko lang yan and then it's already copied. Ipipaste ko lang po doon sa ating website. And it has to be pasted on the headers. At madali lamang po yun, no? So, ang gagawin natin, maglalagin tayo sa ating website. Dito, ang pinakamadaling paraan is use a plugin. Ang ginagamit ko pong plugin dito is the insert headers and footers. So, pupunta po tayo sa plugins. And pag wala po kayo nito, go up, scroll up, and then add new. And then look for insert headers and footers. Ito po siya. Because it's already active here and it's already installed, naka-gray na po yan. So, hindi ko na siya pwedeng i-install again. But, this is the one, okay? And then, after nyo siya ma-install, pupunta kayo dito sa settings, andito na siya. I-click nyo yan. And then, bumalik kayo sa Facebook, copy that, and then go back to your website and insert. Okay, and then scroll down, don't forget to save. Okay? So, ayan na siya. Saved na siya. Now, you need to log out. And with your domain name, yung website nyo po, mag-right-click kayo to any space and then click View Page Source. Kailangan po nating ma-check kung nandyan na yung meta code or meta tag. Alright? Now, we need to find it. Okay, so, Facebook domain verification, meta name. So, hanapin natin yan dito. There you go. Meta name, Facebook domain verification. Tapos, ayan na po, 094, and then verify. And that's it. Verified na po. Ngayon, lahat po ng mga domain name natin, lahat ng websites natin na i-verify natin kay Facebook, lalagyan niya yan ng 8 events. Sa bawat page po ng ating website, meron pong default na 8 events. Okay? So, that's it. And this is Jingo, and I'll see you next video.
Whoa, oh, oh.